Ray-Ban sunglasses. Hello everyone, welcome to Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio. So I just want to show you a few shoes that I bought in the Ukay-Ukay. Look at this. This is Prada. So I searched it. It's the Randy Jackson used this, but I'm just gonna let someone fix this. Look at this. I bought it in the Ukay-Ukay. Oops, sorry. I have a little sipon. Ito, ang ganda oh. Prada. So, nice. Every time I go out, I drop by Ukay-Ukay stores, shops, just to look for stuff that I find cheap and rare. So, here's another one. Look at this. Louis Vuitton. Wow, nice. The metal backplate. Still in good condition. I searched this and this is actually this design was used in a runway, Louis Vuitton runway. So I googled the price for a second hand of this and it's like going up to 15,000 pesos. Look at this. Wow, very nice. I bought this in the Ukay-Ukay again. What the metal here. Okay, I'll show you the last one. It's another Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton gold shoes. Look at that. This one is authentic. We've already checked it. And also this authentic. And this one I'm not really sure. I'll still let it be checked. So pa-check ko pa yun. Look at that gold LV Louis Vuitton. It's still in perfect. Like that. And I love it. So if every time I go to like department stores, it's not easy to find like the real leather that I'm looking for. Of course, the branded ones will cost you a lot. So I look for cool shoes in the Ukay-Ukay, especially leather shoes. Louis Vuitton. Ang ganda, grabe. Tsamba ko rin to sa Ukay-Ukay. So here. Thank you so much for watching. More blessings to all of us. And this is like Happy Father's Day promo that, of course, tayong mga tatay, gusto rin natin to look good. So, yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga nabili ko. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us. To all the fathers out there. who are always sacrificing, yung hindi masyadong napapansin yung mga ginagawa nyo. Keep on going. Ginagawa natin, keep on going. It's for our family. More blessings to all of us. Happy Father's Day.